Greece, the land where Western civilization was birthed, a place brimming with history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. This is where the guiding lights of art, philosophy, and democracy were first lit, radiating knowledge and wisdom through time and space. Here in the cradle of civilization, the ancient ruins whisper tales of glory and grandeur, while the warm Mediterranean sun kisses the endless miles of pristine coastline. The Greek culture is as diverse as the islands that dot its azure seas. From the vibrant dances and hearty cuisine to the traditional music echoing through the olive groves, Greece's cultural tapestry is as rich as it is colorful. Its people, known for their warm hospitality, welcome you with open arms and hearts, eager to share their heritage and their stories. And now, we delve into the heart of this incredible country to explore its most mesmerizing landscapes and attractions. First on our list is the iconic Acropolis, standing tall above the city of Athens. This bastion of antiquity is a beacon of the golden age of Greece, its grandeur echoing the stories of gods and heroes. The architectural marvel of the Parthenon, with its Doric columns and intricate sculptures, embodies the spirit of classical Greek aesthetics. This hilltop sanctuary, once the center of Athenian life, remains a symbol of the city's enduring legacy. A testament to Greece's ancient glory, the Acropolis is a must-visit. Next, we journey to Meteora, a place where monasteries touch the sky. Here, gravity-defying monasteries perch atop towering sandstone pillars, creating a landscape that's simply out of this world. This unique place is not just a testament to nature's grandeur, but also to human determination and faith. Monks have sought solace in these heights for centuries, braving the elements to build these incredible structures. It's as if each monastery is reaching for the heavens. Meteora is a place where spirituality meets natural beauty. Our third stop takes us to the enchanting island of Santorini. This Mediterranean gem is known for its charming blue-domed churches that dot the picturesque landscape. But Santorini isn't just about the churches. Its stunning sunsets, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, are something out of a dream. And let's not forget the unique volcanic beaches, their dark sand a stark contrast to the azure sea. Santorini, an island that captivates with its beauty and charm. Next, we explore the historic site of Delphi, an ancient sanctuary. Delphi was once revered as the center of the world in Greek mythology. Home to the influential oracle, it was a potent symbol of Greek cultural unity. Delphi, a place where history and mythology intertwine. Our journey now takes us to the serene Plitvice Lakes. Here, nature's artwork is revealed through cascading waterfalls and crystal-clear waters. The area is teeming with unique wildlife, adding another layer to its charm. Plitvice Lakes, a nature lover's paradise. Next, we visit the vibrant city of Thessaloniki. Steeped in history, this lively metropolis hums with energy day and night. Its streets are a tapestry of cultural landmarks, each telling tales of the past. Thessaloniki, a city that never sleeps. Our eighth stop is the picturesque island of Mykonos. Known for its iconic windmills, this island pulses with an infectious energy. Its vibrant nightlife and beautiful beaches are the heart and soul of Mykonos. Mykonos, an island that truly knows how to live. Next, we journey to the stunning Samaria Gorge. Nestled in Crete's rugged terrain, this gorge boasts a unique landscape, a World Biosphere Reserve. Its pristine wilderness, diverse flora and fauna make it a jewel in Greece's ecological crown. Samaria Gorge, a testament to Greece's natural beauty. Our final stop is the historic Epidaurus Theater. Known for its phenomenal acoustics, this ancient marvel was a significant cultural hub in its time. Imagine voices of the past bouncing off the limestone seats, reaching every spectator. Epidaurus Theater, a place where you can still hear the echoes of the past. And there you have it, 10 breathtaking landscapes and attractions in Greece. From the majestic Acropolis to the mystical Meteora, the enchanting Santorini to the historic Delphi. We've wandered through serene Plitvice Lakes, vibed in vibrant Thessaloniki, snapped pictures in Mykonos, and admired the stunning Samaria Gorge and the historic Epidaurus Theater. Each place, a testament to Greece's rich history and natural beauty. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys. Until next time, keep exploring. Wait, we have a bonus stop for you. Let's take a detour to the beautiful town of Nafplio, a hidden gem nestled in the Peloponnese. As we step into the charming old town, we're greeted by the sight of neoclassical houses lining the labyrinth of narrow streets, each corner filled with a sense of nostalgia and beauty that's uniquely Greek. Now, let's ascend to the Palamidi Fortress. With each step up the ancient stone stairway, the views become more breathtaking. From the summit, behold the panoramic vista of Nafplio town and the shimmering expanse of the Argolic Gulf. It's a sight that's worth every step, and there in the distance, you can spot the Borzi Castle. This Venetian fortress, standing proudly on an islet in the harbor, has been a silent witness to Nafplio's rich history, adding a touch of mystery to the picturesque seascape. Nafplio, a charming town that exudes a romantic aura, a perfect bonus stop to end our Greek journey. Until we meet again, keep exploring.